Meaning of garrulous.
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 Garrulous. The word garrulous refers to someone who talks too much, especially about unimportant things. A garrulous person is often described as being excessively chatty, long-winded, or verbose. They tend to talk incessantly, often without realizing that they are boring their listeners. A garrulous person may also be prone to rambling, repetition, and tangents in their speech. While some people enjoy the company of a garrulous individual, others may find them irritating or tiresome. Overall, the term garrulous suggests a tendency towards excessive or unnecessary talking.